Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 21 to 27, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see Aquarius. Aquarius. Ano yung ganap sa inyo? August 21 to 27. Your energy. The world. Wow. Accomplishment. Achievement. Merong natapos na project na successful. Ayan. Makakahinga na kayo ng maluwag. Tapos na. So, ano naman yung bago, 'di ba? So, you're gearing towards something new. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? Ace of Wands. Oh my G. Ang challenge is kung paano nyo nasisimulan yung bago na yan. So, maaring nasa isip nyo na siya. There is something growing. Like a new opportunity for you. New idea. Creative idea to. Aquarius. And niisip mo, paano mo sisimulan yon? That's your challenge. Yung opportunity, let's see. What is the opportunity? Two of Swords. To finally make that decision. Iba sa inyo, nakatapos kayo ng kontrata, no? Can be kontrata sa business, sa trabaho, or, yung mga OFW natin dyan. Tapos na yung kontrata ninyo, and now you're thinking, saan na? Ano na yung next? Magsistay ba ako rito? Lilipat ba ako ng country? Cross country? Or babalik ako sa aking pinanggalingang bansa? At may gagawing bago. So, you have the opportunity to make that decision right now. Ano yung blessing? Ouch! Bakit naman ganito? Well, ang blessing is, meron kayong kailangang i-let go. Okay? Na somehow, kind of painful sa inyo, but this is going to be a blessing in disguise. Clarify natin yan. What is the world? Ano tong the world? Four of Pentacles. Parang ayaw nyo pang matapos itong kontrata or itong project na to. You're still holding on to it. Kaya siya nagiging challenge kasi you're about to experience bago na eh. Pero, nag-aalinlangan ka dun sa bago ngayon. Kaya, nahirapan kang mag-decide. What is the Ace of Wands? The Lovers. Meron kang commitment issues. Hindi ka sure if you're going to commit yourself dito sa bagong project, bagong trabaho, bagong kontrata, bagong relationship. Yung iba may natapos na relationship. And natapos na siya pero you are still holding on to it. Maaring yung iba naghahabol pa. And the thing is, yung challenge dito is how are you going to accept what has ended? And paano ka na mag-open up sa bagong simula? What is the Two of Swords? The Magician. Yes, you have the power to create new experiences for you. That's the Magician energy. All you need to do is to make a decision. What is the Three of Swords? Why is this a blessing? King of Wands, freedom. Oh my gosh. Aquarius, you are freeing yourself from the pain. You are freeing yourself doon sa hindi mo dine-deserve na situation. Hindi mo dine-deserve na trabaho, na career, na relationship. And the blessing is for you to let go and free yourself. Meron ka ng pagkakataon na palayain ang sarili mo dyan. Pero syempre, nasa sa inyo yan kung gusto nyo magstay. Let's see, ano pa. Ay, okay, may nalaglag. Oh. Chaos and conflict. Kita mo yon, may underlying na situation dyan na yun yung totoo. Parang I see someone na who's trying to work things out kahit na hindi na siya functional dahil hindi naman talaga yun yung totoong sitwasyon to begin with. Okay? So, things are changing. You are a master creator. Number 33 sa numerology. Master builder. You're about to build something new. And it's time na i-embrace mo na yung bago. Bagong opportunity, bagong simula. And be more true to yourself. Change. A change in the wind. Yes. Pagbabago ng isip. Oh, yung iba sa inyo may pagbabago kayo ng isip. You will realize this week what needs to change. Ngayon, yung pagbabago na ng isip na yon, yun yung magli-lead sa inyo sa bagong direction. Na kailangan yung tahakin. And this is about your growth. No? Makakatulong to sa growth ninyo. Number 3 is about your soul's growth. So, sa money, career, finances. You might be in denial of a situation in your career or finances. It's time to face your truth, oh my God, and work on building your reality. Diba? Ito yung tipong in your face. Alam mo sa sarili mo na it's time to go. It's time to, try new things, pero you're still holding on to it na, ay hindi, baka mag-work pa, baka pwede pa. Kailangan nyo na raw harapin ang katotohanan. Diba? Page of Swords. Learn new things. Be more curious. Ano pa yung pwedeng alamin, pag-aralan? Queen of Swords. Ten of Wands. Oo. Alam nyo, kayo rin ang nagbibigay ng burden, no, sa sarili ninyo. Kasi it's like, parang meron kayong binubuhat na dapat hindi nyo na binubuhat. Kasi tapos na eh. So, you need to let go of that. Cut it out your life. Cut it off your life. And focus on what new learnings, ano yung pwede mong matutunan na bago for your growth. Sa career mo, sa business mo. So, sa love. Love naman for Aquarius. Love. Okay. Love. Chaser. Oo, diba? May naghahabol. May naghahabol. Yung tapos na eh. Meron ditong umayaw na sa relationship pero hinahabol pa rin. Sige, lalo nyo pang sasaktan yung sarili nyo. Si Four of Cups. Alam nyo, merong mas may nagbibigay ng pagpapahalaga sa inyo pero hindi nyo napapansin eh. Oh, diba? Knight of Cups, oh my God. Tapos, iba yung hinahabol nyo. Yung hinahabol nyo, yung pwedeng ayaw na sa inyo or wala nang oras at panahon sa inyo. Pero ang hindi niya nakikita yung gustong magbigay ng attention sa inyo. Knight of Wands. Someone who is more passionate. Someone who is willing to take action. Someone is willing to express yung kanyang feelings through efforts, no? Someone na willing na mag-effort sa relationship. Hindi nyo napapansin kasi busy kayo kakahabol doon sa umiiwas na. Hindi kayo makapag-decide. 7th house relationship. Venus in Libra. In the 7th house. Siguro naisip nyo, something is benefiting you. Parang iba, may benepisyo kayo dun sa natapos na relationship. Pero, paano nyo malalaman kung ano pa yung benepisyo nyo dun sa bago na may experience ninyo? This can be a new life only na ikaw lang or with a person, a new person. You'll never know eh. You have Jupiter in Cancer in the 4th house, speculation. Jupiter is about expansion. And 4th house is home, family. So, someone or something sa buhay mo na mas magbibigay sa'yo ng protection, stability, andun eh. You are about to experience that. Okay? Kailangan na lang mag-open up ka dyan sa bago. Na kung saan, mas maibibigay yung dinedeserve mo. Lioness, you've earned all your stripes. I think you will learn from this experience. At yung experience na to, ang magpapatatag sa'yo and marirealize mo na, kaya pala, kailangan kong pagdaanan yung pain na yon, yung endings na yon, para ma-realize ko kung ano talaga yung halaga ko. Yes. So, you are going to be more wiser. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.